How to get your memories back on Snapchat. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply recover your Snapchat memories in 2022. So without further ado, let's dive into this. First of all, you're gonna open up Snapchat application on your mobile phone devices. And once you get there, you're just gonna go and tap on the profile. Once the profile opens up, you're just gonna go down and add to my story. There's this three dotted bar option. Once you tap on it, this dialog box appears from beneath the screen or below the screen, in which you just have to check whether your autosave to memories has been checked or not. That means you just have to turn this on, otherwise you won't get your data back. So simply what you're going to do next is go into get into that gear icon that is at the top right corner of the screen. So once you get there, you see you're going to come down, and the very last you're going to see my data option. So once you tap on my data option, a new page for my data would open up. Eventually it would take some time for you to take. So once you do that, so you're going to write down your credentials here. So once you have done, or you have wrote your credentials, eventually it would tell you to submit a request, and when you'll successfully submit the request, it will tell you that they have received your request. And when they'll send you that they have received your request, you will eventually start getting your memories out here somewhere. So you'll get all your memories here. So this is how you do it. This is how you get your deleted or recover your Snapchat memories in 2022. I hope this was a video that was informative for you guys and you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel. Till next time, peace.